right? What is the concentration, the molarity of potassium nitrate in a saturated solution at 40 degrees Celsius? When we add the potassium nitrate to 100 milliliters of water, there is some change in volume, right? Because we're adding quite a bit. So the final volume of the solution ends up being 125 milliliters, right? So we want to find our molarity, right? Molarity is moles per liter. So 40 degrees Celsius and potassium nitrate. Right, we are at 40 degrees. We hit the potassium nitrate line, we go across. We should be able to hold about 60 grams of potassium nitrate in this saturated solution. So we need to turn that into moles. Right, potassium nitrate has a molar mass of 101. So we've got 60 grams of potassium nitrate. All right, 101 grams per mole. So 60 divided by 101, 0.594 moles of potassium nitrate. To turn this into molarity, all right, we've got 0.954 moles, and our total volume, right, molarity is moles per liter of solution, right? The entire volume of that solution, 125 milliliters or 0.125 liters. So divide by 0.125. Divide by 0.125, and I get a molarity of like 4.75 molar, right? So that's just using the solubility table, kind of seeing how much we can hold. I had to give you the final volume here. It might just say, like if it's a small, like here it was a large mass, but if it was a small mass, it might just say, like assume the final volume is the same as, you know, what we're starting with over here. So here, 100 grams of water or 100 milliliters of water, right? But yeah, mass to moles and then moles to molarity using, right? We need to know the total volume of that solution. Anyone else have other questions from the practice exam? Yeah. I'll put at least one line structure on the exam. Most of the homework was that way, so to kind of justify like all the line structures you saw, I'll do at least one line structure. Yeah. It won't be as crazy as some of the ones that were on the homework, but I'll do at least one line structure. Yeah. I don't know what I would ask about the contact lenses. Like, I can't ask you like what % of Americans, like that would be like a random question. What % of Americans wear contact lenses or has blue eyes or, yeah. So probably not the contact lens article. Yeah. All right, Fiona. I guess no one else has a question. Oh, Bella has a question.